Hey everyone, and thank you for joining me on this video. Today what we're gonna talk about is what to do when campers leave their computer. What do we need to be safe from the sun? Sunscreen, it's good. Yeah, Maya? That's right, we need a hat.
Oh wait, let me go get my hat.
A very common challenge that we face in the virtual environment.
My camper left his computer, and now I can't communicate with him.
In order to prevent that kind of situation, establish guidelines with your campers. Your expectations from your campers during the sessions. But let's say that it did happen.
While Amit is getting his hat, would you like to play a game with me?
A quick game, fun, engaging with your campers while you're waiting for the camper to come back.